हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हो आप सभी लोग? उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सभी लोग ठीक होंगे, सेफ होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे। आई एम एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज ये नया साल हैज़ मोटिवेटेड मी टू स्टेप बैक इनटू माय चैनल, गिव यू सम कंटेंट, make videos and videos that I love to do and love to share with you guys. और after a long time आज की वीडियो जो होगी, it will be something which I love to do, something my audience loves as well. आप लोगों को भी ऐसी वीडियोस बहुत पसंद आती है। There are so many girls who used to DM me back then, who used to write comments on my videos, where they wanted to see my makeup stuff, makeup collection. तो आज की वीडियो will be my recent favorite lipstick collection. So here I am, as you can see. So आज की वीडियो होगी इन लिपस्टिक्स के बारे में. These are my favorite lipsticks and I love them because these go well with every single outfit, perfect for every occasion. ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि अगर आपने डे में लगाया तो awkward लग रही है, नाइट में लगाया तो awkward लग रही है. It's not that complicated. I always come up with stuff which is actually it should be helpful to everyone. And तो आज मैं भी collection लेकर आई हूँ and these are actually compliment giver lipstick. So here you go, this is the packaging guys. आपने lipstick बहुत देखी होगी, I'm sure you must be having some of the shades from this range. But ये एक particular shade है, I've been using this from a very long time और मैंने ये randomly ले ली थी. मैंने इतना सोचा भी नहीं था कि this would suit me so much, but trust me, this is a perfect shade for every skin tone, be it fair, medium or dark. So this is it. This is the Maybelline's Divine Wine. As you can see, this is the shade. And let me give you a swatch of this. This is such a stunning shade, you guys. मैं आपको क्या बताऊं. There you go. This is a beautiful berry shade. And मेरा मन तो actually कर रहा है मैं अभी इसे लगा लूँ, because every time I see this, I have to apply this. This goes well with every outfit color, every occasion. मैं इसे डे में भी बहुत लगाती हूँ. In fact, I wear it to work most of the times, and people do ask me what lip shade I'm wearing, and that makes me very happy. I have suggested this to many of my friends. बहुत सारी मेरी फ्रेंड्स को, कोलीग्स को मैंने ये रिकमेंड किया एंड दे हैव लव द शेड एंड इट इज़ लॉन्ग लास्टिंग फॉर द होल डे, from morning to afternoon. Even like if it goes off, it leaves a tint on your lips, so it will not go off completely because ये creamy matte range है. These lipsticks are creamy mattes, so obviously जैसे आप खाना खा रहे हो, आप चाय पी रहे हो, पानी पी रहे हो, तो ये ट्रांसफ़र होती है. तो मैं ये नहीं कह रही है ट्रांसफ़र नहीं होती कि these are completely matte. They do transfer because they are creamy matte. But the best part is they leave a beautiful subtle tint on your lips. If you don't have the time to reapply it, the tint is there and it looks beautiful. So especially because ये darker shade है, the darker shades are like that. They tend to stay for longer time. But जो मैं अगला shade बताने जा रही हूँ वो भी same kind of formula है. So I want to talk about that shade as well. So this is the first one. So जो दूसरा शेड है गाइस इस रेंज में, आप देख सकते हो पैकेजिंग थोड़ी सी इसमें पिंकिश लग रही है, इसमें थोड़ी सी रेडिश पैकेजिंग थी. तो शेड भी ऐसा ही कुछ है. दिस इज़ इन द शेड फ्लेमिंग फूशिया. दिस इज़ द शेड. दिस इज़ नंबर 630 and this is number 695. So these are the shades as you can see. Okay, अब ये जो शेड है, now it looks like this on the bullet. You can see this. It's a beautiful magenta shade, beautiful pink shade, and it's a bright pink shade actually. Or here you go. Just look at the color, and this will go well with every outfit, every color, and this will go well with every skin tone. आप इसको किसी भी occasion में लगा सकते हो, day, night. It's your choice. It looks very beautiful. So this is the shade, and every time I apply this, it instantly brightens up my face. It looks really beautiful. Even if you don't apply makeup, guys, I think these shades are good to go because itne bright shades hai, so you actually do not need more makeup when you are applying these lipsticks. So I would always repurchase again and again till they discontinue because they are absolutely my favorites. The next one that I want to show you is a liquid lipstick from Maybelline. Now this is their hot seller. This is Maybelline's Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Pioneer. The number is 20. ओके एंड ये एक ब्यूटिफुल चेरी रेड शेड है. आई वुड एक्चुअली गिव यू अ स्वॉच and I actually call it a danger lipstick. आप देख सकते हो, such a stunning color, you guys. And I actually call a danger lipstick because ये सच में guys ये निकलती ही नहीं है. So I want to talk about it because if you want something which is matte, super long lasting, it will not even come off after having meals. So you'll have to remove it with the oil cleanser or coconut oil. So अगर आपको ऐसा कोई रेंज चाहिए then you can go for these shades, and this is one of the best sellers. This is a red shade which would go on absolutely every skin tone, every outfit, every occasion, and this is something which I always love to apply. And if you want to buy something from this range, please go for this shade. इसके बहुत सारी shades हैं मेरे पास. I think मैंने इसका nude shade भी आपसे share किया है, which is Seductress. That is another lovely shade which is absolutely stunning, and I would surely suggest you please go for this one if you're looking for a super long lasting lipstick. Okay, so the next would be my MAC range. I love this range, guys. I always wanted to try MAC lipsticks, and recently I've been trying a lot of them. So the very first shade that I tried was this shade, which is Flat Out Fabulous. Now जैसे इसका नाम है वैसा ही ये शेड है, trust me guys. Now this is a bit on the expensive side, but this is actually a huge investment. It is a one-time deal, and the shade is stunning. Just look at it. I can just go on looking at this lipstick for hours and hours because this is such a stunning shade. This is in the number 705 Flat Out Fabulous Retro Matte Lipstick. So इसकी खासियत ये है कि सबसे पहले एक ऐसा शेड है जो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत ही गॉर्जियस है. दिस इज़ अ पिंकिश पर्पल शेड. आप देख सकते हो थोड़ा सा इससे सिमिलर है, बट दोनों का ही अपना अपना कलर है. दिस इज़ वेरी लाइक ब्राइट पिंक, बट इसमें हिंट्स ऑफ पर्पल आ रहा है. दिस इज़ सुपर लॉन्ग लास्टिंग गाइज. ये भी बिल्कुल नहीं हटती आपके लिप्स से. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ दीज लिपस्टिक्स फील वेरी लाइट ऑन योर लिप्स, जैसे आपने कुछ लगाया ही नहीं हो. एक तो लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है, ऊपर से बहुत ही लाइट फील होता है, बहुत ही लिप्स का टेक्सचर भी जैसे स्मूथ लगता है. और सच अ वर्सेटाइल ब्यूटिफुल शेड. इट्स अ शेड विच विल ऑब्वियसली कॉम्प्लीमेंट एवरी स्किन टोन, विल गो ऑन एनी आउटफिट एंड परफेक्ट फॉर डे और नाइट ओकेशन. इसीलिए मुझे ये शेड पसंद है. And when I was investing, I wanted to go for something which can be carried on different times, different occasions, on different outfits. So I took this shade. Or if you are thinking कि MAC में कौन सा shade लेना चाहिए, somebody who wants to buy MAC for the very first time, you can definitely go for this one. If you want, you can try the mini version. अगर आपको mini अच्छा लगता है, then you can go for the bigger one. The next shade which I want to show you guys is something which I wanted to first give a trial. क्योंकि जब मैं ये ले रही थी, this is in the shade Velvet Teddy 617. So when I was buying this shade, I actually saw the bullet. I'll show you the bullet. This is the bullet. You see, such a beautiful nude shade. This is one of their best sellers. This is MAC's Velvet Teddy. I will show you the color. Oh my god, I am crazy for nudes. You can see. तो ये this is not like a proper nude. इसमें थोड़ा सा पिंक टिंट आता है, जैसे आप देख सकते हो बेबी पिंक टिंट आ रहा है. तो ये उस तरह का शेड है. एंड सो आई वाज लाइक let me try this if it goes well with my skin tone. then I would go for the bigger one. So जब मैंने starting में इसको लगाया, so it I think kind of merged with my color, with my skin tone, and I was like, kind of, I was like, not that sure about buying another one when I finished this. So I was going very slow with this one, but I learned a trick to apply this one. I always apply this with a gloss. तो मैं हमेशा इस पर gloss लगाती हूँ. So ये मुझे अच्छा लगता है with gloss rather than applying it just by itself. Or the second thing which I do is, if I want to apply it just by itself, I do, a heavy makeup, a smoky makeup, and then I apply this, and I think it goes very well. But if I'm applying it just like that on my plain face, it, washes me out a little bit. But I would surely recommend this to everyone, because ये एक ऐसा शेड है जो मतलब न्यूड लवर्स है, जिनको लगता है कि एक अच्छा न्यूड शेड ट्राई करें, तो ये उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. दिस इज़ safe nude shade, I can say. Such a beautiful shade. I want to give you a close up, this one, and I will surely repurchase this. Okay, so इसके बाद मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ एक ऐसी रेंज जो मेरी बहुत बहुत फेवरेट है. आई जस्ट लव हर कलेक्शन. I think she's doing an amazing job with her makeup range, and her range is stunning, from the eye makeup to the lip makeup to the face makeup. She has so much of variety in lipsticks and glosses, guys, and the best part is she has created this lip kits jahan pe you get this lip liner and you get the gloss, and there are some kits where you get lip liner, lipstick alone. Then there's a combo of 3 in 1, like you get the liner, lipstick and the gloss in all. So वो भी बहुत सारी रेंज मैंने ट्राई की है. So I want to tell you something. This is my second purchase from this range. Now let me tell you guys what shade is this. This is Starstruck's Sugar Plum Lipstick. और ये एक ऐसा शेड है गाइज, सच में मैं तो कह रही हूँ आप इसको ले ही लो, बिकॉज ये सारे शेड्स आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट देंगे, बट ये एक ऐसा शेड है. दिस इज सच अ यूनिक मॉव शेड, यू गाइज. आई वांट टू शो यू दिस वन. लेट मी गिव यू अ स्वॉच. जस्ट लुक एट इट. वाओ, व्हाट अ स्टनर. दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली अ स्टनर शेड. एक्चुअली मैं भी इसे लगाऊंगी. आई अप्लाइड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ लिप टिंट इन द शेड पिंक, फिर उसके ऊपर मैंने ग्लॉस लगाया है. सो उसी के ऊपर मैं लगा रही हूँ. Every time I open this, I cannot close it without applying. This is that kind of shade. This is my second purchase, you guys, because आप देख सकते हो, this is a very natural looking shade, perfect for every occasion, every outfit, will go well with every skin tone. Beautiful shade, और ये थोड़ा सा ये जो है, दिस इज़ लाइक अ क्रीमी इसका टेक्सचर है. और what I love to do is, every time I apply this, so this is their gloss kit along with the lip liner, again in the same shade. Okay, so best part is they keep running lots of sale on their website, and these are also available on Amazon. So मैंने ये सेल में ही ली थी recently on the New Year sale. Just look at the gloss, you guys. Stunning color. And this is the lip liner which I got with it. This is the shade. So मैं लिपस्टिक लगाने के बाद ऐसे लाइन करना थोड़ा पसंद करती हूँ. So I do it the other way. So this is the liner, you can see. And then इसके बाद I like to top it up with the gloss. This is my favorite step. I love glosses. मुझे मतलब tons of glosses दे दो तब भी मुझे ऐसा लगेगा मुझे और चाहिए. Absolutely stunning. What a lovely shade. I have like no makeup on my face, like no base makeup. I just applied a little bit of tint और आँखों के ऊपर थोड़ा सा टिंट लगाया है, and that's it. मस्कारा एंड आईब्रो. बट मैंने कोई बेस मेकअप नहीं किया हुआ, तो आप देख सकते हो इवन ऑन ऑन द नेचुरल लुक, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली स्टनिंग. दिस गिव्स यू सो मच ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस गाइज. मैं हमेशा लिपस्टिक्स लेकर आती हूँ ऑन माई चैनल. आई गेट लॉट ऑफ different shades, because a little bit of makeup can give you so much of confidence. And trust me, take me from this. um, जब आप एक अच्छी लिपस्टिक लगाती हो, when you get ready, the confidence that you get from it, you know, people get confidence from different things, but for me, to get ready, to look beautiful, to apply a lipstick, to apply a lipper, it gives me so much of happiness, so much of confidence. I just cannot tell you guys. And the best part is people also, love, people also get encouraged by your choices. If you're wearing a nice lip shade, it might make somebody else happy and encourage them or motivate them to try as well. So ये मैंने बहुत देखा है, and the reason I'm doing this video is I came up with a lot of compliments after applying these lipsticks, and I thought कि मैं क्यों नहीं अपने platform में share करूँ इन lipsticks को. Why not I share these with my viewers? There are a lot of girls watching me. There are a lot of makeup lovers watching me who would love to watch this video. And even if you can try one shade from this, that would make me really happy, and my work is done. So let me know how you like this video. So here you go. This was my most complimented lipstick collection. I hope you enjoyed the video. और मुझे ज़रूर बताना अगर आपने ये shades try किए हैं या आप try करने वाली हो. Please do write them down in the comment section. I love to read your comments. I love when you reach out to me, and you can also DM me on my Instagram. सारी details मैं नीचे description box में रख दूँगी, mention कर दूँगी. सारी lipstick details मैं नीचे description box में links के साथ डाल दूँगी. Where you will find these lipsticks? Everywhere. Amazon, Nykaa. You can also go on to the websites, like you can go on to the Starstruck website. You have to check out her range, her collection, guys. Maybelline तो आपको easily available मिल जाएगा online. MAC you can get from the MAC stores or even online. Even Nykaa पे भी available है. So I will post down the links for you guys. Please do write me your comments. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do give this video a like. Please do share this video with your friends and family, and do let me know your thoughts and comments. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned to Happy Goody. Please do subscribe to my channel for more fun videos, more collection, and a lot of stuff on my channel. Stay tuned. I'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.